All right, let's check in now with meteorologist Brittany Trumpy. A lot to get to as we have this weather alert. There's going to be a lot of different types of precipitation involved with this storm tomorrow, right?
Yeah, it's going to be kind of the classic three. We're going to be seeing snow, sleet, and freezing rain. So it'll be a little bit messy for tomorrow, but hopefully with enough warning, we can kind of be prepared for it as we continue to see quiet weather for today. So any prep you got to do, not too bad. But take a look at these travel conditions. This is going to be one of the big impacts that we're dealing with. Right in the heart of that morning commute is when we're going to be seeing some of the heaviest snow falling across our area. And then that's also the same time where we start to see things transition into freezing rain and ice for a couple of spots. So that morning commute is going to be a big concern for tomorrow. As we head into the afternoon and into the late evening, as long as crews can try and keep up with some of that, we could be seeing conditions improve just slightly into the fair category, but still not ideal through the rest of the day tomorrow. Temperatures right now, it's been a topic of conversation even before we were talking about the winter storm. We were talking about how nice it was yesterday and the record-setting heat. Today, big difference out there, a big change on the way. We're seeing those temperatures in the 20s and 30s. We're looking at 32 for Westerly, 26 for Coventry, and for Smithfield. Providence looking at 30 degrees, a big difference out there. We saw a lot of cold air moving into our region. So we see this weather alert for our area. We have winter storm watches for all of southeastern Massachusetts, Rhode Island, portions of northern Connecticut. Right along the Connecticut coast, you're seeing winter weather advisories, and then up to the north, everything is transitioning into a winter storm warning. Reason for that, it's going to be those snowfall totals. We're going to be seeing some localized higher totals where that winter storm warning is. Some spots could be seeing upwards of about a foot for snow, but that uncertainty kind of starts to kick in as you head a little bit further to the south for portions of Rhode Island and southeastern Mass. So what are we expecting for our area? Well, as you head further inland, you're going to be seeing more in the way of 4 to 8 inches of snow, closer to the coast 2 to 4 inches. However, this is going to be the snowfall totals at that peak snowfall rate. So before things start to transition into freezing rain and sleet, these are the snowfall totals. So by the end of the day, Friday, these numbers are already going to start to taper off because that rain and the ice is going to wash away some of that snow. So while we might be seeing closer to about 8 inches of snow in Providence, by the end of the event, it might be knocked back down to about 6 inches by Friday night because of that transition and some of the melting that's going to happen when that rain starts to fall. Live radar, relatively quiet for the day today. There was some snow further off to the west, but if we take a wider look out, you can see that system that's going to be moving towards our area. We have 2 low pressure systems, the one further to the south kind of looking down towards Arkansas right now. That's going to be the main weather maker for our area, bringing the snow and the ice to our region. The rest of the day today, staying cold out there, a couple of clouds, a little bit of some sunshine during the late afternoon, but really staying pretty cold and cloudy out there. Overnight tonight, it's after about midnight that we start to see the snow moving in, temperatures dropping back down into the 20s. If we check out that hour-by-hour forecast, you can see that precip slowly creep its way towards our area. After about 1 a.m. is when we start to see the snow first along the coast and then work its way further inland. For the bulk of the activity throughout our area, it's going to start out with heavy snow, and then as we head into the second half of the morning, that rain-snow line is going to start to lift up to the north, moving towards our area. A little bit of rain to end this event, quick little snow showers in the late afternoon and evening, and then by Friday night, everything is done and over with. If you look at that hour-by-hour forecast, you can see once again, starting off with some heavy, widespread snow. That rain-snow line slowly lifts to the north, followed by a few more flurries as we look forward to the late afternoon and into the evening. But overall, going to be a bit of a mess throughout the day on Friday. For the weekend, we do start to clear out, see a bit more sunshine out there. Next weekend, big cool down on Monday, but we do stay dry hopefully through till about Tuesday, if not Wednesday afternoon. You can head over to WPRI.com. We've got that full 7-day forecast. You can check it out anytime you like.
Thank you so much, Brittany. And our coverage continues as